Hey everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita and today we would like to show you another boy braid style, and it's going to be this one with cross cornrows, lace braid and little tiny Dutch braids. Hope that you like it. If you're new on our channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification bell. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the little notification.
No, I can.
Yeah, you cannot fix your face. If you're new on our channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the little bell here down below so that you get notified. We are uploading new tutorials on Tuesday and on Friday. Thank you for watching. Let's get started. Yeah.
Talking in front of the camera is never easy, and he had to laugh so much, so we had fun, really we had. So for this hairstyle we're starting with the middle parting, and it's a section of about 5 millimeters that goes from the front to the neck or to the end of where he has the long hair. Part of 3 sections, and now grab the right strand under the left strand, and I'm doing it by grabbing the opposite side strand, and I'm adding hair only from the right hand side now, because I'm starting with a lace braid until I reach, like you see now, 5 centimeters far away from the front, where the braid starts to become a bit bigger, so I'm adding hair from both sides. One trick that I learned during the years is what you see here. I'm grabbing with my index finger a tiny portion of hair while I try to get the strand from the other side, and the portion of hair is added automatically to the middle strand. Like this, I finished this middle braid, tied it off with a little elastic, and then we went to make the next parting. Therefore, I did a half moon shape, so just a half circle. The rest always tie away with a clip or with a high hair tie. You should not have it in the middle. And then you copy, measure the radius, or the radius, so that you can copy the same shape on the other side. Adjust where you have to adjust. It should be always a neat parting. The rest of the hair goes away again, and then we're going to start to do another lace braid by adding in hair from the top layer and braiding over the part line. Split again into 3 equal sections, grab from the opposite side the strand, do 1 stitch before you add in hair from the top. And like this, you're going to finish this braid the same way we have done it before already many times. Now we're going to do exactly the same on the opposite side, so on his left hand side, and here we are adding in hair again from the top. These are the 2 braids that are going to be crossed and later joined to the outer braids, and now I'm making new partings that start in the middle of the first half moon shape, and I do exactly the same first on his right hand side and then on the left hand side, or like you see it, I start here on the left hand side and then on the right hand side, always adding hair just from the top layer, so from the middle parting to the outer side. And these are the 4 braids that are going to be joined now in our 2 Dutch lace braids by the side. And here I'm starting exactly this bigger Dutch lace braids, so I'm making 1 stitch before, and now when I bring the right under, I add in hair from the right hand side, or from the top, like you want to say. And like this, you're going to braid until there is no more hair to incorporate, and in the middle of the way you have to add in the 2 extra braids. Try to keep this neat, take small portions, and here you see braid number 1 is going to be added in the side braid. And then when we reach far more to the neck, we are adding in the second braid. And on the other side, it will be just the same. This takes long, so be patient and have a patient model. He behaved awesome. Here you see the final result. Both braids that have the same shape were crossed over and joined to the rest of the hair. Final result. I hope you like it. So if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, click the little bell so that you get notified. I'm not always on Tuesday and Friday uploading. Sometimes we just have a delay of one day, so we'll be Wednesday and Saturday, and hope you don't mind. Thank you so much for watching, for supporting us, and for loving our braids. Bye bye, see you soon. Gracias por apoyarnos.